In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube shortcut to your desktop. If you love having YouTube just a click away, this quick setup turns it into an app-like window that runs separately from your browser tabs. It's fast, clutter-free, and you won't need to install anything extra. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to youtube.com. Give the page a second to load so Chrome recognizes it properly. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three-dot menu. Click it to open the Chrome menu. From here, move to Save and Share. Then choose Install YouTube. On some versions of Chrome, you may instead see an option called Create Shortcut. Both paths work for this method. If you are using Create Shortcut, a small dialog may appear. Make sure the Open as Window option is selected, so YouTube opens in its own dedicated window, just like an app. Next, click Install. Chrome will create the shortcut and set up the app-like experience for you. In a moment, a YouTube icon should appear on your desktop. That's your new shortcut. Double-click it and you'll notice YouTube opens in a clean standalone window without the usual browser interface, helping you stay focused on your videos and subscriptions. Depending on your operating system and Chrome version, the installed YouTube app may also show up in your Start menu or Applications folder. That's normal and simply gives you another convenient way to launch it. If your desktop is very full and you don't immediately see the icon, try minimizing open windows or sorting your desktop icons. The shortcut is there once installation completes. From now on, launching YouTube is as simple as opening any regular app. You will still get all the same features. Your account stays signed in through Chrome, and updates happen automatically behind the scenes, because it's powered by your browser. Either way, you are not changing anything about your actual YouTube account or your browser. Just how the site opens. If at any point you prefer going back to the regular tab experience, just open Chrome and visit youtube.com as usual. And if your menu only shows Create Shortcut, selecting Open as Window will give you the same app-like feel you'd get from Install YouTube. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.